So we saw this Talavya Niyamaha last time. Now we'll go on to Murdhanya Niyamaha, Fortunatove's law. This is one of the phonetic laws. Murdhanyangarthu, cerebrals are called Murdhanyani. Rutu Rashanam Murdha iti Girvanavanyam Murdhanya Aksharani Shruyante. R, tu iti Tavargaha. Ta, tha, da, dha, na. Ra and sh. These are the Murdhanya letters. Tatrayam Vishayaha. इमानि संस्कृते स्वाभाव्येन वर्तन्ते उत आधर्म्येण भाषान्तरेभ्यः उद्धृततया विजातीय भाषा साहचर्य संस्कार प्रयुक्ततया आहोस्वित् यत्किंचित् अनुगत ध्वनि नियम प्रयुक्ततया. See, this Murdhanya letters or cerebral letters seem to be very specific to Sanskritam. The ta, tha, da, dha, na, especially the others and sh. These are the letters that seem to be very, very unique to Sanskritam and its branches. It doesn't seem to be present in Indo-Germanic or Latin or other languages. So that is why we need, this is a very important law. Okay. So Samskrite swabhavyena imani vartante. Are these naturally found in Sanskritam or adhamarnyena as a loan? Has it come from other languages? Bhashantarebhyaha udhritaha. Vijatiya bhasha sahacharya samskara prayuktataya, or is it because two languages which belong to two different families are being used in the same geographical area, and that is why samskarat each one has taken from the other. So samskara prayuktataya, because of samskara has it come in. Ahosvit or yatkinchit anugata dhvani niyama prayuktataya, or is it just some rules of sounds that it has followed? Okay. Kin tavat praptam. So what is the result? Samskrite imani swabhavyena asadharana vidham vartante iti. So probably why are we even discussing about this? Because swabhavyena, naturally these letters seems to exist in Sanskritam. Asadharana vidham. That is, in a very unique manner it is present in Sanskritam. Kasmat, why are we talking about this uniqueness in Sanskritam? Because Indo-Germanic bhasha utpanneshu bhasha kadambakeshu, among the languages that have come from Indo-Germanic languages, Samskrite eva vidyamanatvat tesham murdhanyana. Only in Sanskritam it is found. Matrabhashayam punaha murdhanyanam atyanta abhavat. Matrabhasha Indo-Germanic. In the primitive Indo-Germanic, we do not see it at all. It is completely absent in the Indo-Germanic language. Samskrita bhasha vyatiriktasu tadvamsha utpannasu cha tesham tathatvat. Again, in Samskrita bhasha vyatiriktasu, the languages which have come from Tadvamsha, from Indo-Germanic also, we don't find these Murdhanya letters. Indo-Germanic Vamsha Bhakhyani Imani iti Nipunam Anuminumaha. Anuminumaha, Anumanam Kurmaha. Kartum Shaknumaha. We are able to deduce that this is probably something which is outside of the Indo-Germanic family of languages. Girvanavanyam punaha tani adhyakshayamaha. We see them only in Sanskritam. Tasyascha tadvamsha utpannatvam nirvivadam. But at the same time, we cannot deny the fact that Sanskritam has come from Tadvamsha, from Indo-Germanic only. But it is only found in Girvanavani. It is not found in Indo-Germanic and its other branches. So, Sati Chaivam Samskrite, if this is the case, Anitara sadharanyena vidyamanani tani tat swabhavaha iti asmat kim anyat. So what else could it be other than it is a natural occurrence in Sanskritam? This is the only thing that we can conclude. Okay, this is it is just an introductory kind of thing for this law. Now the earlier theory about these Murdhanya letters, Paksham imam asahamanaha Bishop Caldwell nama evam pratyavatishthate. He could not agree with this law of nature, that this was naturally found in Sanskritam. So he comes up with another theory. Matrabhasha mulakatvat Sanskritasya karanagunavata tena bhavyam कार्यं निदानात् हि गुणान् अधीते मूर्धन्यांशे पुनः नयम् इमम् उल्लङ्घ्य वर्तते भाषा इयम्. So he says मातृभाषा मूलकत्वात् संस्कृतस्य. Since Sanskritam has Indo-Germanic as its source, कारणगुणवता तेन भवितव्यम्. तेन संस्कृतेन कारणगुणा भवितव्यम्, गुणवता भवितव्यम्. So Sanskritam should have the features of Germanic language. कारणं तु अत्र मातृभाषा वर्तते. कारणस्य गुणाः तु मातृभाषायां ये गुणाः वर्तन्ते ते एव गुणाः अनुस्यूततया संस्कृते अपि वर्तितव्याः इति तस्य इति. सो कार्यं निदानात् हि गुणान् अधीते. निदानं सोर्स्, कारणं, मूलं. मूलादेव कार्यं गुणान् अधीते, गुणान् पठति अथवा गुणान् स्वीकरोति. मूर्धन्य अंशे पुनः नयम् इमम् उल्लङ्घ्य वर्तते भाषा इयम्. So Sanskritam seems to have transgressed this rule. This rule does not seem to apply for Sanskritam. Kimiti? Why is it? Karana abhave syat svabhavaha iti. Because karana abhave. If there is no reason, then we have to attribute it to nature. Nahi akaranam karyam utpadyate. But if there is no karanam, then how will a karyam happen? Tasmat tadiha vaktavyam. So his idea is yena samskrite मूर्धन्य सत्वम सकारणम स्यात् तच्च द्राविडी साहचर्य संस्कार सद्रीचीनता इति श्लिष्टमिव भाति प्रतिभाति. So he says yes, Indo-Germanic is the moolam. Indo-Germanic does not seem to have Murdhanya letters. Sanskritam has Murdhanya letters. But we have to explain it. There should be some sort of a karanam for Murdhanya letters to be present in Sanskritam. We will attribute another reason to it, saying Dravidi Sahacharya Samskarat. Sahacharya Samskaram is because of existing along with Dravidi, which is Tamil language. Because of existing along with that, we see that there is a samskara that has come, impression. The impression that is there in the Dravidi language, it is a companion. Sadrichinataya ityukte, because it is the companionship that has given it this samskara, this impression of Murdhanya letters. Ataha Dravidi bhasha taha adhamarnyena grihitani va syuhu. These could be loan words that have been taken from Dravida bhasha. Tatsahacharya samskara prayuktani, because it is being used along with the Dravida bhasha. At one point Sanskritam and Tamil were side by side. Because of that influence, these padas might have come from Dravida bhasha. So tadrisha padani Draviditaha Sanskrite sankrantani naiva na adhyakshamaha. It is not that we cannot see a cause for it. The cause is Dravida bhashataha atra agatani iti. For example, ktavatu pratyaya tavatvantaha meenadi padani. Meenam is a Tamil word which has come to Sanskritam. This is one theory that this Bishop Caldwell gives. Ataha Dravidi sahacharyam atra nidanam iti. So nidanam cause, moolam. So the existing along with the Tamil bhasha is the reason for Sanskritam to have Murdhanya letters. But this is an old theory which has completely, now it does not exist. So Fortunato came up with a theory. Evam sthite Fortunato nama France deshiyaha doshagnaha critic. Doshagnaha matamidam samulaghatam jaghana. He entirely chopped off this theory. He killed this theory and he came up with another theory. Ayam asya ashayaha yaduktam Kraistamata pracharakena Caldwell namna Murdhanyani Draviditaha Samskrite samadhigatani iti tat na samyak. So he was probably a missionary. Caldwell was a missionary who was spreading Christianity. So the theory that the Murdhanya letters came from Tamil is not correct. Kutaha? Why is it so? Asamichina avagati moolakatvat tasya. Because he does not have a proper understanding of what is going on. Avagati, understanding is asamichinam. It is not correct. द्राविडी विशेषस्य कस्यचित् वेदभाषा समकालिकत्व अवगतिः एव. See, Dravidi Visheshasya Kasyachit. See, some people believe that Tamil existed along with the Vedic Sanskritam at the same time. If it had existed at the same time during Vedic Sanskritam, then there can be loan words and hence there could be an influence. But तथा हि काल्ड्वाल् मतम् एतद् अवगमयति यत् अद्य समुपलभ्यमानानां द्राविडी विशेषाणां मूलभूता काचित् प्राचीन द्राविडी आर्य संस्कृत भाषा मूलभूत वेद भाषा समकालम् अवर्तिष्ट इति. So what Caldwell had in mind when he said that Dravidi Sahacharyam, he thought that there should have been a primitive Dravidian language which existed during the Vedic Sanskritam time. So Adya Samupalabhyamananam Dravidi Visheshanam Moolabhuta. The source for all of the Dravidian languages that we see today is Kachit Prachina Dravidi. It is some primitive Dravidian language which existed. Avartishta. Avartishta is lung, vartate oda lung. So Avartishta, when Samakalam, it existed at the same time when Arya Samskrita Bhasha Moolabhuta Veda Bhasha Samakalam. So Arya Samskrita, classical Sanskritam, इत्यस्य मूलभाषा वेदभाषा अस्ति. वेदभाषायाः समकाले एषा प्राचीनी द्राविडी अपि आसीत् इति काल्ड्वाल् मतम्. तथा चैवं स्यात् यत् it could have been possible if आदौ primitive Dravidian इति काचन भाषा आसीत् यत् अनन्तरं संस्कृतं द्राविडी इति च बभूवतुः. It could have been possible if the original source language was a primitive Dravidian and two branches, Sanskritam and Dravidi, had come out from that primitive Dravidian. Tadetat peshalam pramana viruddham cha. But that is not the point. It is pramana viruddham. We do not see a common ancestor for Sanskritam and Tamil. We cannot prove that Sanskritam and Dravidian languages have come from one common source for them to have so much of similarities. Enough to take in the sounds. Okay. Kutaha adya vidyamanani charitrika pramanani, the historical evidences that we have today. Dravidi shakha moolabhutam dravida bhasham BC prathama shatakat prak naiva parayanti unnetum. It is not possible for us to highlight that Sanskrit, the Tamil existed, the source of Tamil existed before 1st BC. That is what was the theory and the findings in that time, 1960s. Okay, so naiva parayatum unnetum na parayanti. So they are not able to provide any evidence for Tamil existing before 1 BC. Bhavet Caldwell matam samichinam yadi atra pramana satta. If there was an evidence, then what Caldwell says could be right. Tachana sambhavati idanim. It is not possible. Yaduktam. So that was one reason, right? The other thing is there are such words like Tavatu Pratyaya, Meena Shabda. These are all seem to exist in Dravida Bhasha also. Tavatu Meena Shabda Prabhritayaha Dravidiyaha Samskrite Vidyante Yena Tat Sajatyat Murdhanyani Api Tathaiva Syuhu Iti Yaduktam Caldwell Mahodena Tattucham Shabdikena Tattucham. That is also not correct. It is a wrong thing. Kasmat, why is it? Dravidi apekshaya prachinatarasu veda avastadi bhashasu ktavatu pratyaha varam varam shruyate. So in the languages that are even more older than Dravidian Bhasha, we find Vedic language, Vedic Sanskritam and Avestan language. Avestan is the Zend Avesta Angrolya, that is Avastha. So in Avestan language also, we find the use of Tavatu Pratyaya, Varam Varam Shruyate. Again and again we see that. Kincha Meena Shabda Sajatyena Murdhanyam Api Dravidi Taha Eva Syuhu Iti Rajajnava Syurva. Is it some royal rule that we have to take it that because of these two things that we have to take it? Adala mudiyadungra. Thavata Kimnas Chinnam Uktaritya Atiprachineshu Vedeshu Murdhanyani Santi Eva Eda. It is okay, I can take Meena Shabda etc. as Sajatyam. These are loan words. What is the problem with me? Let it be, Tatha Bhavatu Nama. Abdine. So Uktaritya, in this manner, Atiprachineshu Vedeshu Murdhanyani Santi Eva Etan Doshan Kathamba Tirayet Kaldwal. So in this manner, we see that Vedic Sanskritam also has Murdhanya letters. Then how can you dismiss this? So which means we have to dismiss Kaldwal's theory. Yamscha darshayam babhuva doshajnaha fortunatov pradarshya cha swamatam dhvani niyamatvena ullilekha. Fortunatov, who is a critic, who showed us the problems that exist in Kaldwal's theory, he also showed us, gave us a rule, the phonetic rule by which this Murdhanya letter should have come up. Soyam niyamaha tannama ankitataya eva Fortunatov's law iti bobhaviti. So it has come about, it has stayed till now. Bobhaviti atishayena bhavati ityartaha. So tannama ankitataya eva, with his own name, this law has come about as Fortunatov's law. So the primitive
question இருக்கு இவர் சொல்றது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் புரியறது அந்த இது அந்த மீனா ஆதி சப்தம் அது சொல்றா இல்லையா it could have come from Sanskrit to Tamil. Why are they saying it came only from Tamil to Sanskrit? சும்மா ஒரு தியரி கோசம்
ஒரு தியரிக்காக தான். It's just for a theory that they are saying. Why should it have been come from Draviditaha eva syuhu iti rajajñavanu kekrar.
Okay.
Just as you asked, it could be the other way also.
Okay.
So what is the big deal? And even if it did, tavata nas chinnam kim. What have we lost because of that? We have not lost anything. Let it come from Tamil. It's okay. அப்படிங்கிறார்.
Okay. Got it. Yeah.
வந்திருக்கலாம், இங்க இருந்தும் போயிருக்கலாம், வந்ததாவே வச்சுக்கிறேனே சியூர்வா அப்படிங்கிறார். வந்ததாவே இருந்துட்டு போட்டோம், அதனால இப்ப எனக்கு என்ன இது தொலைஞ்சது அப்படிங்கிறார். ஓகே, குறைச்சல். The primitive Indo-Germanic dentals in combination with the L become cerebrals in the Aryan, but in combination with R, they do not undergo the change. So dentals here is dantya letters, tatadadhana, litulasanam dantaha, along with the la. If they are in combination with the la, then it becomes Murdhanya letter in Sanskritam. If it is in combination with the ra, it remains the same. It does not undergo any change. Okay. Ayam arthaha matrubhashiya dantyani sakarascha dantyani sakarascha tatadadhana sa lakara samyogena arya bhashayam murdhanyani bhavanti. Rakara samyoge punaha na tatha. Repa samyoge punaha na tatha. Ayam atra kramaha. La plus ta becomes ta. La plus tha becomes tha. La plus da becomes da. La plus dha becomes dha. Dha. Sorry, dha. Anything with a dot underneath is ta ta dha dha na. La plus na becomes na. La plus sa becomes sha. Shanmukha sha. Whereas ra plus ta does not become ta, it becomes rta. It remains the same. There is a paragraph இது ஒன்று இருக்கு, ஒரு டேபிள் underneath. Okay. நியமஸ்சாயம் சாப்திகைஹி பகுபிஹி யத்யபி அங்கீக்ரியதே. This rule is being accepted by many linguists here, even though they are accepted. Tathapi Brugman, Bartholomew, Schmidt, Walker-Nagel ityetaihi shabdikavaryahi na samagrataya angikriyate. Many others do not agree it completely. Imecha murdhanyatvam dantyanam prakrita bhasha sahacharyat iti abhiprayanti. They also feel that it is probably because of the coexistence with the Tamil that these murdhanya letters have come in. Tathapi निर्दुष्टत्वात् Fortunatov matam prabhavati matantarani abhasayitum. but they are not able to nirdushtatvat ityukte they are unable to provide proper evidence and it has some faults in their reasoning. Hence fortunate of law seems to flow through and shows that matantarani abhasayitum ityukte mata abhasaha iva vartate. It is not a proper theory but it seems to be a theory but it is not iti. Atha udaharanani sure. I just put these in a table so it's easier. Without the Sanskritam it can be difficult for us to understand. So palnis la and na iti dantyam atra, so that dantya nakara becomes pani. So that's why they have written it in the book with a dot underneath. Pani iti panis. So la and na is completely replaced by ana. Telnos. Okay, that has been the il and na has been replaced by ana here. Bhals, the il and is, this is a dantya. This is actually our sakara. Now that has changed into sh. Analna they have written it as s with a dot underneath. Bhashati or bhashate, both are possible. Sh. But the sh is absent in Indo-Germanic and other branches of Indo-Germanic. Paltos has become patas, pataha, cloth. Spalt, spatami. Spatami, this, I found this dhatu, visarane ityukte, in spreading. This dhatu is not there in our Ashtadhyayi Panini's dhatu vritti, but it is there in some other dhatu. So spatami is there. Anihi, sputati irukku, but spatami ne irukku. There is one dhatu book, Dhatu Ratnakara, which has this verb. Anmadri nariya irukku. We may not find it in Paniniya dhatu vritti, but we will find it in some other place. And then allness is anihi, anina and the axle. So Indo-Germanic, these are the changes that happens. When is there no change? So text la enna irukku or nimsham. Okay. Dantya repha samyoge punaha. Dantya repha samyoge punaha. Lakara samyoge parivartanam bhavati. Repha samyoge parivartanam na bhavati. Dantyanam murdhanyatvam na sambhavati yatha. So this is the table that he gives. I've tried as much. I've removed all the Latin and everything. I've done it only with Sanskritam so that it's easier. Vedic Sanskritam and the classical Sanskritam. Because we are looking at Vedic Sanskritam also, that it existed in the Vedic Sanskritam. This sort of a rule is not only in classical Sanskritam, but it is also there in Vedic Sanskritam. So kerto, ra and ta. This is actually ta, right? And the same ta is retained. It is not changed here. Uerto vartami, merdo mardami, mardayami, urdho ardha. So it remains the same. It has not changed. So this D is actually the here. DH is only the. Okay. So if it is D with a dot underneath, then it would be da. If I write D with a dot, then it would be this da. Transliteration ka solra. So mardami, mardayami, even during classical Sanskrit, it is followed through and there has been no change into mardayami, but mardayami, it just remains that way. Is that clear? So this is the basics of that rule. Ulbeck Panditaha, Ulenbeck Panditaha tu Niyamasya asya katichit apavada abhasan krodikritya. He listed out certain exceptions which seem like exceptions. He has krodikritya. He put up a list of that. Tattvataha te na asya niyamasya apavadaha. परन्तु प्राकृतसाजात्यप्रयुक्ताः इति निपुणतरं निश्चिनोति. He takes a list of all the words which seem to apparently be exceptions to this Fortunatov's rule, but tattvataha these are not apavadaha, but they are prakritasajatyprayuktaha. They are actually Prakritasya sajatyane. Prakritam existed along with Sanskritam, and that influence brought this. அப்படிங்கிற. So அत्र உலன்பெக் விதுஷா உத்ருதாக அபவாத ஆபாசாக ஏவம் பட்டஹ இது எழுதல பிருதஹ பெர்தோஸ் the ir and the these two have become ir and the bhrita in Sanskritam in Prakrit and bhata in Sanskritam. Kataha in Sanskritam, karta and korto, it remains the same, but kata has changed because of the influence of Prakritam here. Nartaka, nerto, nataha, katu, kartu. So, if it has ra, then it should not have changed to katuhu. It should not have changed to kataha. It should have remained as kartaha or kartuhu. That is how it should have remained. Or nartuhu, nataha, nartaha. Nataha nu mari irukka kudadu. It should not have changed to nataha because the repha is there with the dantya letter. Ra and ta is there. Nerto is the pre-Germanic or primitive Indo-Germanic. But this is the influence of Prakritam. Atra bhataha ityasya matrabhashayam bheltos ityeva prakritihi ataha nasti apavadatvam iti kechit. See, some people what they say is, because they want Fortunatov's law to be the perfect law, they say that the original word, Indo-Germanic word, is not bertos, but it is actually beltos. Because lakara asti, takaraha asti, tasmat bhataha iti tatra abhavat iti kechit vadanti. Parantu sarvathapi Uhlenbeck evam abhipraiti. But Uhlenbeck says they are often original dentals which are lingualized by Prakritic influence. They are dentals, that is dantyaha eva prathamam Indo-Germanic madhye dantyaha eva prayaha prakrita sahacharyat ete purvam dantyaha santaha prakrita sahacharyat tadvasana vasitataya. Because of that influence murdhanyatvam bhajante. So tadrisha parinatihi na virala. It is seen everywhere. It is not very little, but it is seen many times. So atati iti bhavati. Bhanati bhavati. Nakara. Atra purvam dantyataya sthitanam prakrita vasanaya eva murdhanyatvam bhavati. So Sanskrite prayaha purvam bhanati iti asti. Maybe in Vedic Sanskritam you will find it as atati. Padati nrukolyo. Padbihi atati padatihi. Atati nalu yaha gacchati. Padbhyam gacchati iti. Atati. Tadeva atati iti prakrita sajatyena sahacharyat tatra atati iti murdhanya tvam agatam. Ucharana saukaryartham va tatvam syat. Probably because it is easier to pronounce. तथाच ये शब्दाः Fortunatov niyama ullanghinah iva abhanti. So those words which seem to transgress the rule of Fortunatov, that is, it is an exception to Fortunatov's, te prakritatu udhritaha syuhu. So they must have been loan words from Prakritam. Tadvasana vasitataya va syuhu. They could be direct loan words or they could be influenced by Prakritam. Ada udhritaha is directly the word has come, or it is just a vasana, just an influence. Tat sajatya prayukta va syuhu. For example, influence ku iduku, you understand, right? Direct loan word is ipo idu eduthukurom. Pramadaha is
குருன்னு வார்த்தை எடுத்துக்கிறோம் இல்லையா? குரு இங்கிலீஷ் வந்து சான்ஸ்கிரிட்ல இருந்து அப்படியே டைரக்டா
அப்படியே டைரக்ட் லோன் வேர்ட். So it is a directly taken. பட் வாசனா வாசிதம் இஸ் இந்த கேட்டமரான். கட்டுமரம் அப்படிங்கிறது ஹஸ் பீன் சேஞ்ச்டு, இட் இஸ் இன்ஃப்ளூயன்ஸ்ட் பை தட் அண்ட் கேட்டமரான்னு அந்த மாதிரி ஏதாவது சொல்லிக்கலாம் வேணும்னா, ஜஸ்ட் டு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட். உச்சாரண சௌகர்யார்த்தம் வா ஸ்யுஹு, ஆர் இட் குட் பி பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் ஈஸியர் ப்ரொனன்சியேஷன். யதா क्रोष्टु शब्दस्य त्रिज्वत् भावः त्रिज्वत् क्रोष्टुः इत्यनेन. त्रिज्वत् क्रोष्टुः इस् अ सूत्रम. क्रोष्टु शब्द उकारान्त शब्द is treated as a rikaranta shabda because of sajatyam, some ucharana saukaryam. We can't say kroshtr, kroshta, krostroho, aduk badala kroshtuhu, kroshtoho. So it is easier pronunciation. So or kroshtr shabda, I think because of easier pronunciation we have tried to do a trijvat bhavam, kroshta iti. So this is the Murdhanya law. The next is Grimm's law.